Hey, Advanced Portfolio Kids. This is my weekly update on what you need to hand in this week. Last week you were supposed to make sure you handed in your Recreate piece, your creative challenge, and then you needed to do the critique for that. We only had a handful of kids that actually handed it in on time. So instead of doing a voting, those people will automatically get a piece of artwork of mine. I will be sending that out for those that handed that in on time. The rest of you, if you did not hand it in on time, that's fine. You just need to make sure that you do hand it in so I can grade it. But you also need to do a critique. You will critique somebody's, and then you will critique your own, and then you'll hand that in. That was what we did last week. This week, you have a body of work piece that is due. So please make sure you hand that in on time. That is due on Wednesday. And then you also need to write a statement about your body of work. So you should have three pieces that kind of work together as a whole. You're going to be doing one artist statement for all three pieces, and then that will kind of go with your body of work. That is going to be due this Friday, so please make sure that you do not don't procrastinate on that, okay? The last thing that I'm going to talk about, you are at the end of the semester, people. You do have one final piece of work that is due. That is your last one for your body of work. That is your third one. And then you do have an online critique. That is what we're doing next week in this class. You will go online, find somebody else's folder, you will go through their work, you will talk about their work, and then you will also grade yourself. So please make sure that you are staying on top of things. If you have questions or you need help, I am here to help you. You can always go to this Zoom time slot Google document and sign yourself up for a time. It looks like this. And so you're just gonna write your name in one of these slots, and then I will send you an invite, or you can just show up on Schoology during these times. Not Schoology, pardon me, on Zoom during these times, and then I'm happy to talk over what you need to do. I hope you guys are all well. Please make sure you hand that stuff in. There will be an online format where you will be showing your work, even if it is, I'm still looking at ideas on how to do that. If it is on Instagram and I create an Instagram with each one of your bodies of work on there, or if you want to do a live viewing on an Instagram, I'm kind of open to options for that kind of stuff, but I do want to make sure that you guys are showing your work. Most of you have put a lot of time and effort into this, and I want to make sure that you have the opportunity to show what you have done. So please get your stuff in. If you need anything, please let me know, okay? I hope you guys are well. I'll talk to you later.